Hi guys, this is Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick makeup for office. So let's see how it's gonna be. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to apply moisturizer.
You're my world, my everything. You are my life.
If you are going out, then sunscreen is the most important for your skin, so apply daily basis sunscreen lotion. And now I'm going to apply CC cream because this is a very quick makeup. So if I'm going to apply foundation, so it's taking a little bit more time to blend it. So now I'm applying CC cream and very little bit, and then I'm going to apply eyebrow pencil, and it just define your eyebrow, and then I'm going to apply mascara. And mascara is also very good to your eyelashes because it refine eyelashes. And kajal as well, always I'm applying. I'm
Just fine. What I found in you.
So here I'm going to apply this lipstick, which is a nude shade. This is from Lotus. And then I'm using this lipstick as a blush. So this is very glossy blush, so I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. And this is finished look, and it's done. And this is the final makeup look. And now I am setting my hairs, and then I'm totally got ready for the office. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe it now and hit the bell icon also.